Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, viewers and students. Chemistry Grade 8, Lecture number 17, page number 20. Today's topic is Chemical Formula. Unit number 1, Fundamentals of Chemistry. Chemical Formula, page number 20. As we know that the chemical compound is represented by chemical formula. A chemical compound is represented by chemical formula. We have already discussed this in chemical compound topic, chemical compound, that every compound is represented by chemical formula. And what is the chemical formula? Chemical formula is basically the symbolic representation of a chemical compound. The symbolic representation of a chemical compound. The chemical formula of a compound is written by putting together the chemical symbols of the element that make up the compound and their relative ratio by atoms. Now, by definition, it is an abbreviation used for the full name of a compound with the help of symbols. In other words, we can say that the symbolic representation of a molecule of a compound is called chemical formula. इसको अंडरलाइन करें शाबाश. अपनी बुक के पेज नंबर 20 पे डिफिनीशन को अंडरलाइन करें. कर लिया अंडरलाइन या हाईलाइट करें. ठीक है. Now, what is the definition of a chemical formula? The symbolic representation of a chemical compound is called chemical formula. You know, the atom of an element is represented by symbols, and when these symbols are written in collected form, that is called chemical formula. It is an abbreviation used for the full name of a compound with the help of symbols. Symbols of element which are present in the chemical compound. It is the symbolic representation of a chemical compound. The chemical formula tells us the type of atom element present in the compound. How many types of atoms of elements present in a chemical compound, and the ratio of the different atoms present in the compound. What is the ratio of atoms in a compound? That show chemical formula. Chemical formula हमें क्या बताता है? Chemical formula show the types of atoms of element present in a compound. एक chemical compound में कितने types of atoms है, कितने types of atoms से ये बना है, और इन atoms की आपस में क्या रेशो है, ये chemical formula आपको बताता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, सोडियम नाइट्रेट. अंडरलाइन करें इसको. सोडियम नाइट्रेट. द केमिकल फार्मूला ऑफ सोडियम नाइट्रेट इज NaNO3 एंड ग्लूकोज. द सेकंड वन दैट इज ग्लूकोज. ग्लूकोज आपने सुना होगा, खाया होगा. ग्लूकोज इज बेसिकली C6H12O6. The chemical formula of glucose is C6H12O6. That is the chemical formula of glucose. Is it clear? Chemical formula is the symbolic representation of a compound. Symbolic representation of a chemical compound. For example, कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट. आप देख लें, कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट किस तरह लिखा जाता है? कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट. What is the chemical formula of calcium carbonate? That is Ca, symbol of calcium, carbonate is CO3. That is the chemical formula of calcium carbonate. What show chemical formula? The chemical formula tells us the types of atoms. How many types of atoms are present in calcium carbonate? Ca calcium 1 atom, C carbon 2 atoms, O oxygen. 3 types of atoms are present in calcium carbonate. How many types of atoms are present in calcium carbonate? 3 types of atoms. How many atoms are present in calcium carbonate? 1 calcium, 1 carbon, and 3 oxygen. 1 calcium, 1 carbon, and 3 oxygen. 1, 2, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 5 atoms are present in calcium carbonate and 3 elements are present in calcium carbonate. 3 elements कौन कौन से हैं? Calcium element, carbon element, and oxygen element. The atoms of calcium, that is 1. The atoms of carbon, that is 1. And the atoms of oxygen, that is equal to 3. There are 3 types of elements are present in calcium carbonate, but the total number of atoms in calcium carbonate are 5. Is it clear? Another one is glucose. Glucose formula is C6H12O6. Is it clear? That is the chemical formula of glucose, C6H12O6. How many types of elements are present in glucose? Carbon 1, hydrogen 2, oxygen 3. How many types of element? There are 3 types of elements are present in glucose. How many atoms of carbon are present? That is 6 atoms of carbon are present. 12 atoms of hydrogen are present in glucose and 6 atoms of oxygen are present in glucose. 3 types of elements are present in glucose and 6 atoms of carbon, 12 atoms of hydrogen, and 6 atoms of oxygen. Total 24 atoms are present in glucose. What is the ratio? That is 6 ratio 12 ratio 6. The ratio of the different atom present in the compound. The chemical formula tells us the types of atoms present in the compound. 3 types of atoms. The number of atoms present in a compound, 6, 12, and 6. And the ratio of the different atoms present in the compound. What is the ratio? आप इसको simple करें, 1:2:1. That is the ratio of atoms present in glucose. Is it clear? Now the next one is sodium nitrate. Sodium nitrate. Is it clear? सोडियम सिंबल इज, आपको पता है हमने सिंबल्स में पढ़ा है ना, सोडियम का सिंबल क्या है? एन नाइट्रेट, दैट इज NO3. NaNO3. Na is sodium, N is nitrogen, and O is oxygen. How many types of atoms are present? How many types of elements are present in sodium nitrate? Sodium 1, nitrogen 2, and oxygen 3. 3 types of elements are present in sodium nitrate. And how many atoms are present? 1 sodium, 1 nitrogen, and 3 oxygen. The ratio of sodium, nitrogen, and oxygen, that is 1:1:3. 1:1:3. Total atoms, that is 5 atoms are present in sodium nitrate. The symbolic representation of sodium nitrate is NaNO3. Now What is chemical formula? Chemical formula is the symbolic representation of a chemical compound. That is the symbolic representation of a chemical compound. ग्लूकोज की सिंबॉलिक रिप्रेजेंटेशन, कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट की सिंबॉलिक रिप्रेजेंटेशन और सोडियम नाइट्रेट की सिंबॉलिक रिप्रेजेंटेशन. द सिंबॉलिक रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ ए केमिकल कंपाउंड इज कॉल्ड केमिकल फार्मूला. दूसरे डिफिनीशन अगर आप करें तो इट इज़ एन एब्रीवेशन, that is abbreviation used for the full name of a compound with the help of symbols. सोडियम की एब्रीवेशन Na है और नाइट्रेट की एब्रीवेशन NO3 है. तो फुल नेम के बजाय हम इसकी एब्रीवेशन लिखते हैं ताकि हमें लिखने में आसानी हो. दैट इज़ सोडियम नाइट्रेट. नो सोडियम हाइड्रो ऑक्साइड. सोडियम हाइड्रो ऑक्साइड. अब इसकी सिंबॉलिक रिप्रेजेंटेशन हम किस तरह करेंगे? सोडियम सिंबल इज Na, हाइड्रो ऑक्साइड दैट इज OH. Symbolic representation of sodium hydroxide that is NaOH. One Na is present, one oxygen and one hydrogen. The ratio of atoms in sodium hydroxide that is 1:1:1. How many types of elements are present? 3 types of elements are present: sodium, oxygen and hydrogen. One atom of sodium, one atom of oxygen and one atom of hydrogen is present in sodium hydroxide. That is the symbolic representation of sodium hydroxide, which tells us the types of atoms present in the compound and the ratio of the different atoms present in the compound. Is it clear? Sodium hydroxide is also called caustic soda. क्या कहते हैं इसको? Caustic soda. Now the next one, that is aluminium chloride. Aluminium chloride. What is the symbol of aluminium? That is Al. Abbreviation इसकी क्या है? Al है. क्लोराइड की क्या है? Cl. AlCl3 is the symbolic representation of aluminium chloride. How many types of atoms are present? Aluminium one type, chlorine other type. 2 types of atoms are present in aluminium chloride. Now, what is the ratio of aluminium and chloride? That is 1:3. One atom is combined with 3 atoms of chlorine. The ratio is 1:3. Chemical formula tells us the type of atoms. How many type of atoms are present? 2 types of atoms. How many atoms are present? टोटल कितने एटम्स हैं? एक एल्यूमिनियम का है, 3 क्लोरीन के है. टोटल कितने हैं? 4 एटम्स हैं. एंड द रेशियो ऑफ द डिफरेंट एटम्स प्रेजेंट इन द कंपाउंड, रेशियो क्या है? 1:3. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज मीथेन. Methane is a component of natural gas. The chemical formula of methane is CH4. CH4 ratio 1:4. Number of atoms, that is 2 types of atoms are present in methane, that is carbon and hydrogen, and the ratio is 1:4. That is all about chemical formula. In the next lecture we will discuss the types of chemical formula.